Hey guys, what's up? Chuck here with you. And guys, we're getting ready to show a video right here. Our first trip, me and Brandon, well, together to a river doing some smallmouth fishing. And we had to go muster up some minnows. We had like a warm spell come through like a week or so ago. Temperatures got up in the mid 70s. And then there was a massive cold front went through, dropping it back down to at night like low 30s, upper 20s. And on this day that we're fishing, it was like 41 degrees. It was like 5 to 10 mile an hour, dead north winds, massive cold front, and these bass was locked down. Now, the technique that we used on these bass and that I've used for many years, been smallmouth fishing for 40 plus years, is what I call just a free swim. We took our creek chubs that it took us an hour to find 4 or 5 little creek chubs. The minnows ain't out in the creeks good yet because the water's still cold. We had our spinning reels. We had 8-pound braid with 8-pound test fluorocarbon leader, Vanish in the fluorocarbon leader, 7 foot if you're interested in that. And we just put that hook on, no weight whatsoever, because these bass was locked, they wasn't active, they wasn't moving. And if you put weight on a minnow like that or any kind of live bait and you throw out, a lot of times you ain't going to have the success if you just throw that minnow out there without a weight on it and just let it free swim. Just hold that reel, let that minnow swim around, let that minnow find the bass for you. That's what happened for us on a couple of these nice smallmouth that we caught. But guys, I hope you enjoy the video. We got a ton of fishing for all species coming up here, right here on Hills and Gills. And I hope you give us thumbs up. I hope you subscribe to our channel. We're growing each and every day. And guys, as always, stay safe out there on the water. And here's our first trip to the river. Hope you enjoy.
God, that water, no wonder they were slow. That hurts your hands. I think it's good. It laid there with it for quite a while. Got it going. Nice smallmouth on a creek chub. Gonna get him unhooked and let him go so we can catch him again. Not bad for first smallmouth of the year for me out of the river. Oh my God. Oh. That's a good one.
Kindly keep it.
And there's one parking there. Nice big smallmouth. Got him on the creek chub, the dead creek chub, using it like a jerk bait. A real good one for the river. Number 2.
Well, guys, it's 42 degrees today, dead north wind, so we went with creek chubs. Brandon's caught 2 really good ones so far. We're using no weight on them, and I just then got one to hit. They're right in this little deep drop off on the river here, and you have to let them have it for a minute. because they are sluggish. We're getting ready to lock this one up.
Well, yours is more active. Well, that's a good one there.
There we go. First one for me today. Nice big smallie.